Okay, welcome back. We have done this. What I'm going to do now is what? Types of fraction. By now, we have already known our numerator. We have already known our denominator. So I'm going to say types of fraction. I'll give us number one. We have proper fraction. Number two, we have improper fraction. Then number three, we have mixed fraction. You understand? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. These are the types of fractions that we have. Do you understand? These are the types of fractions that we have. Now, the question is, what is proper fraction? What is improper fraction? What is mixed fraction? Now, we will not say proper fraction. Proper fraction. When the numerator is bigger. Okay, when the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called proper fraction. Do you understand? When the numerator, that's the number above now at the top, is smaller than the denominator, which is the number below, it is called proper fraction. For example, this is what I mean. 1/2, 2/3, 5/7, 8/17, 10/15, 20/35, 40/150. Do you understand? Look at it critically. When the numerator, which is the number at the top, is smaller than the denominator, this denominator, numerator, denominator. When this number at the top is smaller than the number below, it is called proper fraction. Do you understand? Proper fraction. Look at it now. 1/2. 1 is smaller than 2. 2/3. 2 is smaller than 3. 5/7. 5 at the top is smaller than this. And you too, I would like you to give me more examples. You can give more examples to yourselves. You understand? Any example, any fraction you can think of, just make sure that the number you put at the top is smaller than the one you have at the below. That's the down one. Do you understand? That is what a proper fraction. If you like, say okay, 100/200 is a proper fraction. 1 million over 10 million is a proper fraction. 100 million over 200 million is a proper fraction. Now let me give you this. Let me give you this as an example. Very simple illustration. I have a book. This is a textbook. if you check the weight of this textbook and my weight is bigger than the weight of this textbook. So let me say I put this textbook on my head. This is a proper fraction because this textbook is smaller than me. This is a proper fraction. Do you understand? This is a marker, this is a book. This book is bigger than this marker. So if I put this marker on top of this book like this is a what? A proper fraction. Do you understand? Let me give you another illustration. You have a baby. I'm talking of a baby and an adult. Carry a baby on your shoulder or put the baby on your head. That baby is smaller than you. So that is a proper fraction. Do you understand? It's a proper fraction. Then why do you know that this is a proper fraction? When the weight is not being fed, the weight of the one at the top is not being fed by the weight of the one below. So this 2 can easily carry 1 because it's greater. So what I tell students is that this 2 is not complaining because it can actually carry 1. It's not complaining. This 3 is not complaining because it's carrying 2. It's stronger than 2. 7 is not complaining because it's carrying 5. It's stronger than 5. That is the same way if I carry a baby, I will not be complaining because I am stronger and heavier than that baby. So it is balanced. It is called proper fraction. Do you get? Now, let's go to improper fraction. I'm going to clean this one so that we'll be able to have a space to explain improper fraction. Now, let's say improper fraction. It means that the fraction is not proper. You understand? It's not the way it should be. As we proceed, I will also give you other examples. We now say, with the proper fraction, we said that the numerator is smaller than the denominator, right? Now, in this case, we said that when the numerator, let me use small letter n, when the numerator is bigger than the denominator, it is called improper fraction. Do you understand? When the numerator, proper fraction means numerator smaller than the denominator. Now, improper means numerator bigger than the denominator. For example, in proper fraction, we say 1/2. Do you understand? Or we say 2/3. But in improper fraction, it's not like that. So example of an improper fraction is 3/2. So it means the one at the top, which is the one above, which is the numerator, is bigger than the one below, which is the denominator. Do you understand? So in this case, 3 is bigger than 2. That is improper fraction. 5/3, improper fraction. 10/7, improper fraction. 15/8, improper fraction. 35/16, improper fraction. Do you understand? Now let me give us an illustration again. In the other fraction, which is proper fraction, the fraction, I said that the denominator was not complaining. But in this case now, you will see that it's like me now. Go and carry a car, put it on my head. Or go and carry this water tank, GP tank, put it on my head. What will happen? I will just collapse. Do you understand? The weight will press me down. So in that case, if I should carry a GP tank, the water tank you have at home, put it on my head, that big one, put it on my head. In that case, it is called improper fraction. If care is not taken, I will die. So the thing will just bring me down, will kill me. You understand? So in that case, we say it is what? Improper fraction. Look at, in the other one, I said the denominator was not complaining, but in improper fraction, the denominator is complaining. Why? Indirectly, you may not hear the voice. This two is shouting, "Egbami o, I'm finished o, I want to die o," because the load is carrying is too much. Just like you now, as an adult, or you now children, try to carry your mommy. You want to carry your mommy on your shoulder, or you on your head, or you want to carry your daddy on your head. Before you know, you just fall. You just be pressed down. Why? Because the weight of your daddy is higher than your weight. Your mommy is bigger than you. So trying to carry your mommy on your head is what? Improper fraction. But when your mommy carry you on his or her shoulder, it is called proper fraction. So we are talking about improper fraction. So this 2 now is complaining because it's carrying 3. 3 is bigger than 2. This 3 is complaining because it's carrying 5. 5 is bigger than 3. 7 is complaining because it's carrying 10. 10 is bigger than 7. 8 is complaining because it's carrying 15. 15 is bigger than 8. 16 is complaining because it's carrying overload. It's carrying 35. And 35 is bigger than 16. So if care is not taken, this 16 will just die. So when you look at it like this, that the one at the top is bigger than the one below, it is called improper fraction. Hope you understand. So the next video, I'm going to tell us what mixed fraction means. You understand? God bless you and your family.